I'm Ian. Today we're going to take you on another test drive Tuesday with our 1964 Dodge 330 Max Wedge.
What a crazy car this is.
All right, let's do this.
All right.
Let's do this.
Yeah,
It's good to be back on the road again.
sure is. Especially in this.
As a disclaimer, dare I say, this is, I believe, to be the most powerful car we've taken out.
Yeah, 608 horsepower. Dyno tested at 608.
My goodness. I'll see if we can get a little taste of it on our trip. Oh, she's driving so nice already. We haven't even left the lot. Now this is a nice treat. You don't get to see these every day.
No. This is a rarely seen kind of car. I mean...
Oh yeah, she's either on or off.
Oh yeah.
Listen to this.
Man, it sounds so good. It is a 496 cubic inch Max Wedge head V8, aluminum heads, the Dave Koffel Sr. Max Wedge aluminum heads, B1 heads, and this thing screams. It's amazing.
And boy, is it something to look at when you pop the hood.
Oh yeah.
Seeing the staggered carburetors like that.
It's amazing on that magnesium intake. And
She's a beaut.
Factory magnesium intake, correct Carter AFB carburetors on it. It's a beautiful engine bay.
Well, it's enough to get your heart pumping, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. And with that engine, you know, you need the right transmission, right rear end. It has a TorqueFlite A727, which is incredibly transmission.
Yeah, this whole build is pretty bulletproof.
Yeah.
I mean,
Rear end is
dare I say, you'd be pretty good to go to the track.
Oh yeah. Rear end is an 8 3/4.
Oh man, that's intoxicating. I love the color.
Yeah, medium turquoise is actually the correct color for this car originally.
Wow.
I've seen on the trim tag. It's a really pretty color. And you know, looking at this car from the outside with the car off, you'd never guess it looks like Grandma's Dodge.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah, that's what I love about
It's
it.
a real sleeper, but
Not that it's ugly,
yeah, no,
by any means.
no, it's very pretty. It could be a show car. It's so nice on the outside, but as soon as you start it up, you know it's not Grandma's Dodge.
No.
So the intakes on these are a real story. They started out at Chrysler in the 50s. They called them the Longhorn intake because of the shape. And from there they went to Ram's horn and then Ram induction.
Okay.
And from there, that's where we get that sticker on the back that says
Right.
National Champion Ramchargers. That team was made up of Chrysler Corporation engineers who, you know, invented all the intake and everything on the car that
Very
made so
cool.
much
Very
power.
cool.
And their drag racing team did an amazing job with these cars.
All right, let's get her turned around a little bit. You got to be a little bit careful with this kind of power on the street.
Yeah. And you can tell on the inside this car is meant for racing.
Absolutely.
It's got blanking plate, no radio, and bench seats are actually lighter than buckets. Surprisingly.
All right. Woo! Wow.
Man, it rips. Oh my gosh.
And honestly, it had so much more to give.
I could tell.
That was 3/4 throttle. For what? 5 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, that gets your heart pumping. Oh my. What bragging rates you would have with this car?
Oh yeah, for sure.
I mean, it is just there.
Man, it's so good.
Well, another disclaimer, I would definitely say it's a 2 hands on the wheel car.
Oh yeah.
She handles great, you know, tracks good,
Yeah.
grips pretty well. But when you're in these kind of horsepower numbers, I mean,
Yeah. And you know, for no power brakes and no power steering, which you know is good for power, it really, like you said, it handles pretty well and it brakes pretty well. It's got front disc brakes and it's cool.
oh yeah.
For sure.
This is, I would say it's definitely more for the enthusiast.
Oh yeah. And all the maximum performance engines cars had the battery in the trunk, just like this one does. Trying to keep as much weight at the rear over those rear tires as possible for traction. And you know, these cars did an amazing job racing.
I mean, I'm speechless. That is for the adrenaline junkie for sure. My goodness. I'm in love. It is. It's easy to drive, you know? It's... You can tell where its heart is.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, I love the color. I love the matching color interior.
Yeah.
Everything's very clean.
It is. I mean,
I was just a grandma with my right blinker on the whole time.
yeah, this was I mean, it was a Concours done restoration when it was done, and it's still on that level today. And the restoration was done in 2006.
Ah, thank you. It's all right. He was gonna fall out anyways. Thank you. It's got a lot of power. Our
It's just the camera.
camera. Oh boy. Never a dull moment.
Nope.
I mean, it sounds like I'm really getting after it. I'm not. I'm barely in it.
Oh, I know. No, I was just driving in the parking lot, and man, just quarter throttle. It just wants to get into it.
It's in power band, like on tap. That guy was happy.
That
Oh,
seems
what a
short.
fun. Yeah, it was a short drive. Let's go back out.
Especially in this thing.
All right, on that note.
We're back, and that was so much fun. How are we gonna top this?
I have something in plan. I think you know what I'm talking about. You know, it's in the works. It's definitely going to be a lot of work to get it done, but when it's done, it's going to be worth it. You guys won't regret it. So, but this is a good good note to end on for sure. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe. I mean, for more content like this, where are you going to get content like this?
That's right. We do it for you guys. So the more we get, the more we can do. So, on that note, guys, we'll see you next time.
Yeah.